We're going to start by letting n equal 0. Left hand side we have 2 to the power 1 sine x cos x. Right hand side we have the sine of 2x, which is 2 sine x cos x. Left hand side equals right hand side, so it's true for n equals 0. We're going to assume it's true for n equals k. So 2k plus 1 sine x cos x right up to the cos of 2 to the power kx equals the sine of 2 to the k plus 1 x. So let n equal k plus 1. That would give us 2 to the k plus 2 sine x cos x right up to the cos of 2k plus 1 x. So that is 2 times 2k plus 1 sine x cos x all the way up to the cos of 2 to the kx times cos of 2k plus 1 x. And we have just said that this middle bracket is the sine of 2k plus 1 x. If we then take the right hand side, it would be the sine of 2k plus 1 x, which is the sine of 2k plus 2 x. And if we rewrite this, that is the sine of 2 times 2 to the k plus 1 x. So we have a double angle, which we know is 2 sine 2k plus 1 x cos of 2k plus 1 x. Left hand side equals right hand side, true for n equals k plus 1, hence by induction true for all n. So if we rewrite this equation, what is missing is the 2 to the n plus 1. So if we have 2 to the power 4 sine x cos x cos of 2 to the power 1x cos of 2 to the power 2x equals root 2. So we are saying that n equals 2. And if n equals 2, then we still have an issue here, because that should be 2 to the power n plus 1, which is 2 to the power 3. So I need 2 to the power 3 sine x cos 2 to the power 1x cos 2 to the power 2x equals root 2 over 2, which is 1 over root 2. That means the left hand side can become the sine of 2 to the power n plus 1, so that is 3x equals 1 over root 2. So the sine of 8x equals 1 over root 2. So if we get our calculator answer, if we do the inverse sine of 1 over root 2, we get pi over 4. If we draw our cast diagram, then we know that our second answer is at 3 pi over 4. If we then go back to our notes, the general solution of a sine theta equation is that theta equals pi n plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. So in this case, 8x equals pi n plus minus 1 to the power n pi over 4, and we take the first solution. So x equals pi n over 8 plus minus 1 to the power n pi over 32.